ChatGPT is an AI language model made by OpenAI. Think of it as a super fast, super knowledgeable writer and problem solver. You type something in, a question, a command, a weird request, and it replies in natural, human-like language. Not from Google searches, but by generating responses based on patterns it learned from trillions of words during training. You can use ChatGPT to write essays, scripts, or emails, explain complex topics in plain English, brainstorm ideas, summarize documents, code, and even debug that code. And yes, help you cheat on homework. Just don't tell your teacher. At its core, ChatGPT is powered by a deep learning system called a transformer neural network. It doesn't think or know things like a human. Instead, it predicts the most likely next word in a sentence over and over at lightning speed. That's why it feels conversational. But it's really pattern prediction on steroids. It's not perfect. ChatGPT can hallucinate, meaning it might confidently make up false information. It can reflect biases from its training data. And no, it's not sentient, even if it feels like it's alive sometimes. So WTF is ChatGPT. It's the AI that made the whole world pay attention to artificial intelligence. It's like having a personal assistant, writer, and encyclopedia, all rolled into one. And in 2025, it's just getting started.